Welcome to another episode of Play Out Denver, the one real estate show that focuses on all things fun in the Denver Metro. If you're into that, stick around and watch till the end. My name is Bryce Velasquez with the Acre Group real estate team, and today we're checking out Main Event, the latest and greatest in local entertainment. From bowling to laser tag, ziplining to crazy arcade games, and of course the bar. This place is awesome. Let's go for a tour.
What's up, guys? My name is Jennifer Sims and I'm new to the Acre Group. We are one of South Denver's best spots for getting indoors. This place is insane for the whole family or hanging with friends. We can't get enough of the arcade games, and of course, the bowling is epic. From the little kids to the big kids, there's something for everyone.
Alright, so we showed you some of the arcades, now it's time to check out the epic bowling lanes. I mean, look at the size of these TVs. The food's awesome, the drink's awesome, and best yet, the service is incredible. Now I plan on kicking some ass today, so here, check this out.
All right, so one more thing that you gotta check out when you're here is the bar area. The bar is absolutely amazing. They got great drinks and great food. They have shuffleboards. They got like 10 pool tables, and it's a great place to just relax when the kiddos are going all crazy. So make sure you check that out. The atmosphere is absolutely amazing, and most importantly, the drinks, and like I said before, the food is excellent.
Hey everybody, what's up? It's Courtney with the Acre Group. So now that you know exactly how awesome Main Event is, you gotta get down here. It's located just off C470 and Broadway. It's super easy to get to, so don't wait. Thanks for watching another episode of Play Out Denver, where we're all about all things outdoors and exploring the city we love. And if you love living here as much as we do, then make sure to follow along. Until next time, thanks for watching. And remember, the winner's choice is the Acre Group.